Okay, so this is April 28th, and we sowed these seeds a few days ago. And as you can see, these little baby carrots are starting to sprout roots. I'm seeing about 10 to 15% of the seeds sprout. And then I am going to go ahead and transplant them with our technique. Okay, so at this part, you know the secret. The cornstarch is going to go ahead and create a situation where the seeds get suspended in the cornstarch. And then what happens, because the seeds are so small, it's going to make it really easy for me to evenly spread these seeds out throughout all of my grow beds. And because I have little baby carrots, I don't want to deal with thinning the carrots because if I overcrowd them, because that's going to bring in pests. The pheromones that the carrot gives off can actually attract the root carrot fly over 2 miles away. And so really going through that process to be a little bit more sensitive to some of your crops because of what they can do and what they can actually attract into your garden might be important. My daughter, my kids, they love carrots. I'm going to plant them, and I'm also going to take a little bit of consideration of what's happening when I'm dealing with pests in my grow room. So I'm going to go ahead and stir it up and get it planted. Okay, so again, I do live in Colorado. It's the end of April. We'll always get one snowfall in May. It snows real quick, melts off in a day, no big deal normally. Although, I'm definitely going to put my carrots behind a little bit of plastic and keep it a little bit warmer. And I'm expecting that snowfall to hit in the next 2-3 days. Because the seeds are just sown, they're in the middle of that gel. I know that they're going to be suspended in there for a couple days. So I'm not really worried about it because there's a lot of insulation. I have the plastic, no snow's ever going to touch the soil. And it's insulated with the soil as well with the cornstarch. So I'm not terribly concerned about it. When I do get concerned about it, the snow is when the snow is actually touching the foliage. Root and the seed still going in the ground, no big deal. Anyways, just kind of wanted to show you this real fast. And now I created a little mini greenhouse that's going to get these carrots going real quick. Thank you so much, and I hope you've enjoyed this video about how to quickly plant your baby carrots. And really any carrot for that matter if you're doing a row garden with carrots. I normally put my 10-inch carrots in buckets. My little baby carrots, as you can see, I put them in here, and because my greenhouse is a hoop house, I connected this part to my greenhouse to actually use this as more stability for my greenhouse, just in case the wind rips through here. This is going to block it, and this right here is going to help keep the greenhouse down so it doesn't, in a sense, fly away, because that has happened before in an earlier storm here in Colorado, and actually has happened in California as well. Wind is actually a lot more powerful than we give it credit for. Think about a tornado or a hurricane for that matter. Anyways, thank you so much, and have a great grow.